This is AI.
Still not dead!
Welcome to the feed, where code collides with chaos. Digital world into art and entertainment. See beyond the screen.
Fucking threesome at the ranch, eh, dude?
Stay tuned.
TK42 Greg.
The system is watching.
Day 24 of the plague. Still not dead! Shout out to Garlic and positive vibes.
Just saw Roger. Yesterday he was coughing. Today he's in the car. Guess who's running the town?
Little extra pepper in there, and that claret is just a little bit of sweetness that puts it over the top. This is perfect. This is so good. I'm gonna make this at home tonight for my kid. As an American, especially a Midwestern,
Marimba. Electric piano.
TK42 Greg here, just landed on Cloud City. Elevation high, expectations low. Officially here to assist with upper atmosphere comm relay calibrations. Unofficially, I think we're just testing if stormtroopers get altitude sickness.
We're hitting England
Cloud City,
today.
named after the
Let's
clouds,
go.
built above them, just in case gravity wasn't threatening
today,
enough.
bro.
Good news, nice view. Bad news, one wrong step, nice fast view.
Shout out to my boy Olaf on OR3. Beast mode!
I did not get a memo. Yep. Either that dinner isn't going well, or it's going really well.
Yo,
Looks like we
these
have a
monks
dangler
got no
out
idea
here.
what's going on.
Hard to believe
Valhalla
someone's
can
having a
wait.
worse day than
We've
me.
taken everything that
Kidding.
shines.
So yeah, final sweep, last corridor, clean up day. Classic pincer strategy. City 4 out of 5 cubes. I'll guard this would deploy again. You know, just in case. All right, folks, that's a wrap from Cloud City. If you made it this far, drop a comment so I know who's still alive out there. Remember to like, subscribe, and may your boots stay dry. TK42, Greg out.
Look at this clown. Think they just set up shop right here in my backyard?
Nah, we gotta investigate this foolishness.
What intriguing science project is this? Some kind of tiny human snack? Looks like candy, but I ain't never seen no candy shaped like this. Relieves constipation? Man, these humans got some weird-ass problems. This ain't no damn protein shake. Look, I don't know what this is for, but if it helps them humans,
quick reminder,
maybe it'll
when
give
you
me
go
some
camping,
inspiration
you
for my
put your
daily
fire out
survival.
before you go to
Can't
sleep
hurt,
first.
right?
Yeah, that way you'll be able to scavenge the camp next to you and you won't be seen when you're looking for food.
Ah, shit, did you
The
guys hear my
fire's out, so
stomach?
you won't
Oh, God,
be,
no, please
you
no.
You won't be seen.
Oh, it's a party in here.
And for safety reasons.
What is your name? Zoe. That's beautiful. Are you serious? Okay. Maybe the front row isn't for you, Zoe. Have you thought of that? Sir, what's your name?
John Paulo.
What is it?
John Paulo.
John Paulo. What, both?
Yeah.
What about age, John Paulo? Do you think that matters? Because my ex, she was much younger than me. That is an option for me. And... What's that?
How much?
Lady, I'm going to explain something. I'm just going to do the jokes. I know, I understand. You know what I like about you? Your enthusiasm, okay? And what's that? I thank you. That means so much to me. But I can't keep, you know what I mean? I can't answer questions when I'm, you know what I mean, trying to hook up with Zoe. All right? What's your name, the firefighter?
End of transmission.